Let's go through all the steps of setting up Verification of Competency, or VoC. First, make sure all the skills are already added to your skills area. The parent skill is the main attainment, like excavator, dozer, etc. This must have a competency definition of verification of competency. The child skills will be linked assessments, logbooks, and checks that prove the competency. They can have competency definitions of certificate, induction, or training, and a skill type of date or hours. Once that's done, open the parent skill and assign the child skills to it. Next, head into asset roles. If you don't already have one for the VoC, create it. For example, VoC Dozer. In the Associated Skills tab, link the parent skill. Then you're going to assign the people who'll be undertaking this VoC. Now you've completely set up VoC. You'll see it's connected in a person's profile, and you can also review it from the VoC Viewer tab. It's that simple.